Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Modern dining room ceiling ideas presents innovative and captivating ways to elevate the look and feel of this central gathering space. Embeds the concept of the fifth wall. These design concepts transform the often overlooked ceiling into a striking focal point. One popular approach is to incorporate statement lighting fixtures that not only provide ample illumination but also serve as eye-catching art installations. From sleek and sculptural calendars to modern geometric pendant lights, these fixtures add a touch of elegance and contemporary flair to the dining room. Another modern trend involves using unique ceiling materials and textures to create visual interest. Exposed beams or wooden slats and bring a rustic charm, while smooth and reflective surfaces offer a sense of sophistication. For those seeking a touch of luxury, comfort, or tray ceilings with recessed lighting can provide an upscale ambiance. Ceiling treatments like wallpaper, stenciling, or even a dramatic paint color can be employed to make a bold statement and infuse personality into the dining area. Integrating technology into the ceiling designs, such as hidden LED stripes for fiber optic lighting, can create a dynamic and customizable atmosphere. Lastly, incorporating skylights or large ceiling to floor windows allows natural light to flood the space. Modern dining room ceiling ideas not only draw the eye upward but also add depth, character, and a sense of modernity to the space, making it a focal point that complements the overall decoration and enhances the dining experience for all. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.